Hey, I'm Aman Gupta. I'm the author of Worried About Choosing the Right Sofa, and I'm the founder and CEO of OPAA HOMES. OPAA HOMES is a furniture manufacturing company where we make sofas, recliners, chairs, ottomans, benches. We mostly make upholstered seating furniture. We are doing exports and domestic business. Ergonomics. Most of us have heard about this word, but do we know what it actually means? Today, I'm going to tell you about what's ergonomics. Let me tell you, ergonomics is one of the most crucial factors while purchasing a seating furniture. What is ergonomics? It refers to designing the product in such a way that it fits to the natural shape of the human body. What I mean by that is, whenever we sit on a sofa or a chair or whatever seating solution, the comfort, what it provides, depends on the ergonomics of the sofa. So I have two sofas in front of me. One is non-ergonomically designed and one is an ergonomic sofa. So I'll show you the difference when I sit on it. So this is a non-ergonomic sofa which I'm sitting on. As you can see, the back of this sofa is flat and straight. There's no under-thigh support here and there's no lumbar support here. So these type of sofas are advisable at cafes and restaurants where the sitting duration is not for long and people need to sit upright to have their food or drinks or whatever. Whereas in homes, I'll tell you in homes what we do is, we have a sofa which is extra comfortable. So as you can see, the sofa here, it has a great under-thigh support. The sitting is inclined, so you actually tend to sit back, and then there's a good lumbar support. So this is a very well made sofa, which is an ergonomic sofa. It helps for a prolonged comfort and seating. Sitting on this sofa was so much more comfortable. Proper ergonomics can make all the difference in the sofa. This type of sofa is suitable for a different setting. It is suitable for HoReCa industry, the hotels, the restaurants, cafes, their lobbies, because they don't want the customer to sit for long and they don't want the sofa to be too comfortable so that they have a long sitting. Whereas this sofa, it's good for your homes, it's good for the living area because people want to watch TV with their families, they want to have a good time with their families. Now, I want to tell you a fun fact. An average person spent 17 years of its life sitting on a sofa. Now you may understand how important choosing the right piece of a sofa is. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.